What if I told you that a $1 box in your pantry could change your health in ways you never imagined? Yes, that same baking soda you've been using for cooking and cleaning could be a powerhouse for your body. For generations, this simple white powder has been used for everything from soothing heartburn to supporting kidney health. But very few know the full extent of its benefits. Imagine waking up with less pain, better digestion, and more energy, all from a glass of water mixed with baking soda. Today we'll uncover 12 incredible health benefits of drinking baking soda water that could transform your health. We'll also show you how to prepare it safely and highlight the precautions you need to take. This might just be the best-kept secret in your kitchen. Heartburn and acid reflux are not just uncomfortable, they can disrupt your quality of life. That burning sensation after a meal, or the acid rising in your throat when you lie down, is a sign of stomach acid pushing back up into your esophagus. Over time, this can lead to more serious complications. Fortunately, baking soda water can offer almost instant relief. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline in nature, which means it can neutralize excess stomach acid. When mixed with water and consumed, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, producing salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reaction quickly soothes that burning sensation, allowing you to rest and digest more comfortably. Unlike many over-the-counter antacids, baking soda is natural and free from artificial additives. A 2022 study published in BMJ Open Gastroenterology confirmed that people who consumed bicarbonate-rich mineral water experienced significant relief from their heartburn symptoms compared to those who used a placebo. This simple remedy can be especially beneficial for seniors who may experience digestive discomfort more frequently. While baking soda water can be incredibly effective, it's important to use it occasionally and not as a long-term solution. Overuse can disrupt your body's natural pH balance and lead to unwanted side effects. If you find yourself relying on it frequently, it might be worth discussing persistent symptoms with your healthcare provider. Kidney health becomes increasingly important as we age. Our kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from our blood, but over time they can become less efficient. Metabolic acidosis, a condition where there is too much acid in the body, can strain the kidneys, accelerating decline. Surprisingly, baking soda water may help. Sodium bicarbonate acts as a natural buffer, neutralizing acid in the bloodstream. By raising the body's pH, it reduces the workload on the kidneys, potentially slowing down the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD. A 2021 meta-analysis published in Frontiers in Pharmacology revealed that patients with CKD who supplemented with sodium bicarbonate had better kidney function and reduced acid levels in the blood. For seniors managing kidney health, this natural remedy could be a valuable addition to their health routine, of course with a doctor's guidance. It's crucial to balance benefits with risks, especially for those with existing kidney issues or high blood pressure. Overuse of baking soda can lead to increased sodium levels, which is why moderation and medical advice are key. As we age, urinary tract infections, UTIs, can become more common and more uncomfortable. Symptoms like frequent urges to urinate, burning sensations, and discomfort can disrupt daily life. The good news is that baking soda water might provide some relief. Baking soda, known for its alkaline properties, can help raise the pH of your urine. When the pH of your urine is more alkaline, it creates an environment that is less hospitable for harmful bacteria like E. coli, which is often the main culprit behind UTIs. By making the urinary tract less acidic, baking soda water may help reduce irritation and discomfort. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal in 2017 found that women who drank baking soda water experienced an increase in their urine's pH level from an average of 5.3 to 7.2. This shift was associated with a noticeable reduction in symptoms such as urinary urgency, frequency, and nighttime trips to the bathroom. For seniors who struggle with bladder health, this could be a natural and simple addition to their wellness routine. Of course, it's important to remember that baking soda water is not a cure for infections. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider. But as a natural remedy to support comfort and reduce irritation, baking soda water is worth considering. Staying active is important at any age, but sometimes muscle fatigue can make it hard to keep up with your favorite activities. That burning sensation in your muscles after physical activity is due to lactic acid buildup, which lowers your muscle pH and leads to fatigue. Here's where baking soda water comes in. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline and acts as a buffer against acid buildup. When consumed before exercise, it can help neutralize the lactic acid produced by your muscles. This buffering effect allows you to exercise longer before fatigue sets in, making it easier to stay active and enjoy life's moments. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that athletes who drank baking soda water before high-intensity workouts performed longer and experienced less muscle fatigue compared to those who didn't. While the study focused on athletes, the principles of reduced acid buildup apply to anyone looking to maintain endurance, especially seniors who value mobility and strength. For those who enjoy walking, swimming, or light cardio, baking soda water could be a natural way to extend your stamina and reduce that next-day soreness that sometimes comes with physical activity. It's a simple addition that could help you keep moving with ease. Bad breath is not just embarrassing. It can also be a sign of imbalances in the mouth's natural pH levels. An acidic environment promotes the growth of odor-causing bacteria, leading to persistent bad breath despite regular brushing. This is where baking soda water can make a real difference. Sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, and when used as a mouth rinse or consumed in water, it helps neutralize acids in your mouth. By balancing the pH, it creates an environment that is less hospitable for bacteria, reducing unpleasant odors and promoting fresher breath. Unlike commercial mouthwashes that may contain alcohol and artificial ingredients, baking soda is natural, effective, and safe for daily use. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry highlighted the effectiveness of baking soda rinses for reducing bad breath. Participants who rinsed with baking soda solutions experienced significant improvements in oral pH and breath freshness compared to those who used plain water. If you struggle with bad breath, consider adding a baking soda water rinse to your daily routine. It's an easy, cost-effective way to keep your mouth clean and your breath fresh all day long. Gout is a painful form of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid in the bloodstream. When uric acid crystallizes in the joints, it leads to sharp pain, swelling, and redness, often in the big toe, but it can affect other joints as well. Baking soda water may offer relief by making uric acid more soluble and easier for your body to eliminate. When you drink baking soda water, its alkaline properties help to neutralize the acidity in your body, raising the pH levels of both your blood and urine. This shift helps uric acid dissolve more easily, preventing it from crystallizing in your joints. A study published in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine in 2024 found that patients who consumed baking soda alongside standard gout treatments experienced a noticeable reduction in pain and fewer gout flare-ups. Researchers concluded that sodium bicarbonate could be an effective adjunct therapy for managing symptoms of gout. For seniors who suffer from recurring gout attacks, this natural remedy may offer a gentle, cost-effective way to manage discomfort. Maintaining a balanced pH level in your body is crucial for overall health. Your body's pH level affects many biological processes, including digestion, bone health, and immune function. Baking soda water, with its alkaline properties, can help neutralize excess acid, promoting a healthier internal environment. A well-balanced pH also reduces the strain on organs like the kidneys and liver, enhancing their performance over time. Baking soda water serves as a natural buffer, neutralizing acids in the bloodstream and tissues. This effect helps prevent conditions associated with high acidity, such as fatigue, joint pain, and inflammation. Regularly consuming a small amount of baking soda water may assist your body in maintaining optimal pH levels, which is particularly beneficial as we age. For many seniors, maintaining a balanced pH can mean less discomfort from acid buildup and a more resilient body overall. However, it is crucial to use this remedy wisely. Too much alkalinity can disrupt normal bodily functions. Always consult with your doctor before making it a regular part of your routine. Physical activity is key to staying healthy as we age, but the soreness that follows can be discouraging. Baking soda water may help to reduce that discomfort. Its alkaline properties neutralize the buildup of lactic acid in muscles, easing pain and speeding up recovery. Whether you enjoy walking, gardening, or light workouts, drinking baking soda water can help you get back to what you love without the lingering aches. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which contributes to that familiar burning sensation and soreness afterward. Baking soda as an alkaline substance helps buffer the acidity in your muscles, preventing that sharp discomfort from building up. This means less pain and quicker recovery after exercise. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that participants who consumed sodium bicarbonate after exercise experienced faster recovery and less muscle soreness. This makes it an easy, low-cost way to support your active lifestyle. For seniors wanting to stay mobile and pain-free, baking soda water could be a simple and effective addition to the routine. Indigestion and an upset stomach can strike at any time, especially after a heavy meal or foods that are harder to digest. Symptoms like bloating, discomfort, and even nausea can ruin your day. Baking soda water is a time-tested remedy that neutralizes excess stomach acid, providing fast relief from these symptoms. When you drink baking soda water, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reaction not only reduces acidity, but also alleviates the feeling of pressure and bloating. Many people have turned to this simple solution for years as an effective alternative to commercial antacids. The best time to take baking soda water for indigestion relief is about an hour after a meal when discomfort tends to set in. For those who experience frequent bouts of heartburn or indigestion, keeping a small amount of baking soda on hand could be a quick and natural way to ease discomfort without unwanted side effects. The idea that something as simple as baking soda could support cancer therapy might sound surprising, but research suggests there's potential. Cancer cells thrive in highly acidic environments, and studies indicate that altering the pH balance around these cells could slow their growth. Baking soda's natural alkalinity helps to neutralize acidity, potentially making the environment less hospitable for cancer cells. A groundbreaking study published in Cancer Research showed that baking soda, when administered alongside traditional cancer treatments in animal models, helped reduce the spread of cancer by increasing the pH of tumors. This change made the cancer cells more vulnerable to treatment and less likely to metastasize. Although these findings are promising, it's important to note that baking soda is not a replacement for medical treatment. Its use as a supportive therapy should always be discussed with a healthcare provider to avoid interference with standard care. However, its potential role in improving treatment effectiveness is an exciting area of research worth watching. Mouth and throat irritations are common discomforts, especially as we age. Dryness, soreness, and minor infections can make it painful to eat, drink, or even speak. Fortunately, baking soda water can be a simple, natural way to soothe these symptoms. Thanks to its alkaline properties and mild antiseptic effects, it helps neutralize acids and reduce bacterial growth, promoting faster healing. When you dissolve baking soda in water and use it as a rinse or gargle, it can relieve discomfort caused by mouth ulcers, canker sores, and minor throat infections. Its ability to balance pH levels reduces the acidic environment where harmful bacteria thrive, helping to keep your mouth clean and fresh. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that rinsing with a baking soda solution helped alleviate pain and reduce inflammation for individuals suffering from mouth sores and minor gum irritations. The study also noted that regular rinsing with baking soda water contributed to better oral hygiene by reducing plaque buildup and soothing irritated tissues. For best results, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. You can also gargle with the solution to ease throat discomfort. It's a natural, affordable remedy that can help you maintain good oral health and feel more comfortable throughout the day. Baking soda isn't just beneficial for internal health. It can also work wonders on your skin. Its natural alkalinity helps to neutralize acidic irritants that can trigger skin discomfort. Whether you're dealing with eczema, insect bites, or sunburn, a baking soda rinse or soak can provide soothing relief. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates a soothing solution that calms itching and irritation. For conditions like eczema or psoriasis, a warm bath with a cup of baking soda can help reduce redness and itching, making it easier to manage flare-ups. For minor rashes, insect bites, or even mild sunburn, a paste made from baking soda and water applied directly to the skin can help alleviate discomfort. A review published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment highlighted the effectiveness of baking soda for managing symptoms of chronic skin conditions. The study found that regular soaks with baking soda water improved itchiness and skin texture, providing relief for individuals with persistent skin problems. Baking soda water is gentle enough to use regularly, but effective enough to make a real difference in your skin health. It's a simple, cost-effective way to bring comfort and relief to irritated skin. How to prepare baking soda water. Preparing baking soda water is incredibly simple, but doing it correctly is important for safety and effectiveness. Here's how you can make it at home. Measure the right amount. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure it is pure baking soda, without added ingredients. Mix with water. Add the baking soda to a 200 milliliters glass of water about 8 ounces. Stir it well until it is fully dissolved. For optimal results, drink baking soda water in the morning, on an empty stomach. This allows your body to balance its pH levels before you consume any food. Alternatively, you can drink it 1 to 2 hours after meals to relieve indigestion or acid reflux. Frequency. Baking soda water should not be consumed daily without medical guidance. For occasional relief, 2 to 3 times a week is considered safe. Avoid overuse. Too much baking soda can disrupt your body's natural pH balance and lead to health issues. Stick to the recommended amounts and always monitor how your body responds. Consult your doctor. If you are on medication or have health conditions like high blood pressure or kidney disease, always consult your healthcare provider before adding baking soda water to your routine. When prepared and used correctly, baking soda water can be a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness routine. It's natural, affordable, and easy to make right in your kitchen.